Having worked with people across the different countries and to connect and to learn about the different ways of working, this is really amazing, and that's how the real world works today.
In this case competition is that what you saw today is the real world. I know we say that often, but I definitely want to reiterate the fact that the pressure you had, the headaches you had, and trying to perform and trying to impress the judges is what you're going to feel and what you're going to do in the future in your career. And that's how you're going to get ahead. So this is probably one of the best painful experiences that you had, but it's going to bring back a lot of dividends for you for the future.
Always make sure that the presentation follows a storyline and that the structure is solid. So make sure that the problem you research is followed by a solution that solves that problem, and it's all connected, because it's really good to see, when everything is following and matches at the end. So congratulations to all of you, and I wish you also enjoyed this session as much as we did.